Can art and culture intersect with AI without losing their social purpose? In the MESOC project, we wanted to explore the possibilities blending artificial intelligence with culture, to see if we could learn more about how to amplify and maximize the social impact of culture. But will we go too far? Will AI help us move forward in the field of art and culture without destroying anything essential, without breaking anything important? The first thing we did was to gather all the available information on the social impact of culture in the fields of health and well-being, urban regeneration, and citizen participation and engagement. And we put all that information in a public repository where all the articles and reports are classified by sector and impact.
But where is the AI?
Hey, be patient. We needed a bit more of human intelligence. We needed a model to explain in a plausible way the paths from the cultural experiences to social impact. And we resorted to consulting experts in a Delphi process. Also analyzing in-depth pilot cases across Europe. It was time to look at cities like Milan, Valencia, Jerez, Athens, Barcelona, Lublin, Cluj-Napoca, Issy-les-Moulineaux, Rijeka, Ghent, or Turku. So, finally, we got a convergent model. And we call it convergent because it is the result of the convergence of different methodological processes. The model taught us that for impact to occur, even if initiated at the individual level from cultural experience, various processes of change had to be activated, ranging from network enhancement to policy or market reactivity to changes in narratives and knowledge or in the uses of urban spaces. A consistent theory of change emerged. Now, it is time to introduce you the AI first. We have put all our knowledge in a semantic searchable MESOC toolkit, where you can not only search, but connect and add documents from academic material to policy reports. Second, we developed an app, Our Culture, intending to measure the individual impacts on emotions, aesthetics, knowledge, and social interaction of attending a cultural experience. With these inputs, and when everything was rolling well, we developed an impressive tool to put all the power of AI in the analysis of societal impacts of culture. The Serapeum. The Serapeum was a building attached to the Library of Alexandria, where not only numerous important codices were kept, but it also became a place for learning. And finally, trying to be useful for cultural managers and policymakers, we use machine learning and random forest techniques to predict what impacts on socio-economic variables would be generated if we increased the number of people working in the cultural and creative sectors and producing cultural experiences. And we created Secret, a regional European dashboard to predict the societal impacts of culture and creativity, where, for instance, you can predict the impacts of an increase of 1% in total workers of the cultural and creative sectors in years of life expectancy for each of the regions in Europe. For Catalonia, it is exactly 4 months. We did many other things: a handbook for maximizing the impacts, cultural planning for cities like Jerez or regions like the Valencia country. We also created the biggest database till now about gender and culture. We built a big set of indicators at micro level and meso level. We analyzed all the providers of cultural data.
You are invited to visit our website.
In this case, AI met culture, and we got a really happy end.